Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm looking at this dash cam from Iiwey, or Iiwey, however you want to pronounce it. You can also take still shots, so if you're ever unfortunate enough to have an accident, you can use it to record the scene as evidence for later on. It has a very nice 3-inch LCD screen, power cables, and a secondary external camera that you can also wire up to your reversing light. And then when you're reversing, it will automatically turn the dash cam into a reversing screen for you. Or in normal operation, it just shows a rear view picture in picture. A 32GB micro SD card for recording everything. You can set the loop to be several different times from 30 seconds up to 5 minutes. And what it will do is it will store these until it's filled the card up, and then it will start overwriting the oldest ones first. A suction mount to fit it to your windscreen, and the thread here is much smaller than what you normally get on, say, GoPro accessories or something like that, but you know, it'll do the job. You can see it just fits in here into the camera. So I'm just going to use this power bank to power it up quickly, and we can have a little look at what the screen's like. As you can see, it's just powered by a mini USB cord. And that's pretty cool. So let's see how it works in the car with some actual road footage, shall we? So this is the actual footage whilst we're driving along. You can see it's nice and stable. There's no picture in picture because I've not fitted the secondary camera yet. But it is full HD at 1080 resolution. It has a date and timestamp function, but you can disable that if you so wish. And it has an impact detection sensor, so it won't overwrite any important videos if you're involved in an accident. And as you can see here, it's quite a sunny day, but it's dealing with the variable light quite well. I paid £40 for this, and as ever, I'll have a link in the description below. Till next time, take care.